Hey there, fellow drivers and car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a crucial part of your car that you might not think about often, but boy, does it make a difference when it acts up. We're talking about the Accelerator Pedal Position Sensor, or APPS for short. Do you know that smooth acceleration you love when you press the gas pedal? Well, you can thank your APPS for that. But what happens when it starts to fail? Buckle up, because we're about to take you on a wild ride through the 7 symptoms of a bad accelerator pedal sensor. First up, we've got the car jerk. No, not that guy who cut you off in traffic. We're talking about your car suddenly jerking when you press the gas. It's like your car is doing the cha-cha when all you want is a smooth waltz. Next, we've got the slow poke syndrome. You're pressing the pedal, but your car's acting like it's stuck in molasses. This sluggish response is a classic sign your APPS might be on the fritz. Third on our list is reduced engine power. It's like your car suddenly decided to go on an energy-saving mode, but forgot to tell you about it. Fourth, we've got the uneven idle. If your car's shaking like it's had too much coffee when you stopped at a light, your APPS might be to blame. Fifth is the speed limit that your car sets for itself. No matter how hard you press that pedal, your car refuses to go faster than a certain speed. It's like having an overprotective parent in your engine. Number 6 is reduced gas mileage. If you're suddenly besties with the gas station attendant, your APPS might be the culprit. And last but not least, the dreaded check engine light. It's like your car's way of saying, "Houston, we have a problem."
Houston, we have a problem.
Now, why should you care about all this? Well, a faulty APPS can lead to poor performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and in some cases, even safety issues. Plus, catching these problems early can save you from more expensive repairs down the road. So, next time you're out for a drive, pay attention to how your car responds when you press the gas pedal. If you notice any of these symptoms, it might be time for a chat with your mechanic. Remember, a happy APPS means a happy car, and a happy car means a happy driver. That's all for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your car-loving friends. And hey, drop a comment below telling us about any weird car behaviors you've experienced. Until next time, keep those wheels turning and those sensors sensing.